Hello, home buyers. I'm Carol Ellis with City Limits Realty. Today, I want to share some insider tips on how you can save money when purchasing your dream home, even in a market of higher interest rates. First things first, research the market. Knowing the ins and outs of your target area can help you spot great deals. Next up, budgeting. Set a realistic budget and stick to it. Avoid the temptation to overspend by knowing your limits. Now, let's talk negotiation. Don't be afraid to have your agent negotiate for you with sellers. With the right approach, you can secure a great deal on your dream home. Consider exploring foreclosures or short sales. These properties, if they can be found, often come with lower price tags, giving you more bang for your buck. Thinking about renovations? Consider doing some of the work yourself to save on labor costs. It's amazing what a little paint and sprucing up can achieve. Location matters. Look for properties in up-and-coming neighborhoods or areas with lower property taxes to maximize your savings. And finally, avoid unnecessary fees. Be aware of hidden costs and expenses that can eat into your budget. So there you have it. Follow these tips and you'll be well on your way to saving money on your real estate purchase.